Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the breakout of Kodak, Eastman Kodak company, and we are going to look at the current trend as well as the long trend. So what you can see here right now is the long term chart, the monthly chart of Kodak company's share price, and there is a big rise. Okay, and not only that, it has moved above or away from couple of important resistance levels, and it has overcome that, and it crosses lots of resistance level. So the first resistance level which has cleared is 6.4, and in one shot then 13.45, then 17.3. Now the 17.3 level will become your first support. Okay, first immediate support on the upside. On the upside, unless the price won't stay, let me just zoom this chart a bit so that you can see the trend clearly. Unless the price stay above this 37 or $38 per share, it should stay above and sustain over $38, then we can say that a new trend will begin. Okay, so that is not much far away. It went up to $33, then come back, the current price is $22 dollars. But looking at the trend, this is what you need to consider. So this is about your long-term chart. So this is about a long-term chart, but you should consider some other important aspects as well. Okay, so this is the daily chart. From monthly chart I moved back to daily chart, and the reason why I've done this is simply to show you two three important things. First, you can see there are gap aways, which means that the current price or today's price is opened far away on the upside from the previous close. You can see here this one. Okay, and there is a gap between this one and this one, right? Likewise, there is a gap between here, between this price and this price, to be precise. Okay, and this is anyhow the resistance level which will now act as a support. Okay, this is now the resistance level. So what I'm trying to say here is this: technically, if these kind of gaps have been created, price should come and retest these kind of gaps and fill these gaps in the days or in the months to come. So the key here is simply this, that if the price fall below 17, then there is a possibility that it will come towards 11. I am not considering this gap right now. Okay, so that will be dependent upon the upcoming share price trend or the stock trend. But what I'm considering and expecting right now, the way the things are going and the stock price is moving, that there is a possibility that if it breaks below 17.65, it will try and fill up this gap by retesting this level of 11.76. So you should consider this thing very clearly, and you should look at this thing so that there won't be a problem in the time to come. Because this kind of sharp moves, it doesn't matter whether it's a superb company or whether it's a dull company. So the faster the stock price move, the greater the volatility will be in the days or in the years to come, and the share price or the stock price will fall down even more sharply than when compared to its rise. So you should consider these things as well. So though it went up, but consider this 17 and 17 and a half level as your important support, because if it indeed breaks, it will definitely go and retest here 13 as well as 11 and a half, because 11, from 11 and a half there is a gap which has been created and which is not yet filled. Technically it should retest, and the stock price should try to fill that gap. So there is also a possibility, but the only question here is whether it will go towards 37 first, or it will come right now the first gap to fill the first gap of 11.76. So if the stock price sustain above 17 and a half, it will definitely go towards 37 or 38, or you can say on the higher side of the range. But if it won't, then it will definitely come towards 11 before going up again. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.